the 2016 Ford Transit 350. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.